Hi, my name is John Alexander Huertas. I am a student of electronic engineering. My name, ¿verdad que? Hi, my name is John Alexander Huertas. I am an electronic engineering student. I live in Bogota with my wife. She is my mother, Anna, my father, Omar, my sister, Angie, my brothers, Omar and Fabian, and my niece, Luciana. I went to Tunja to visit my wife, his grandparents, who live in Motavit. I must say that it is a beautiful city and the people are friendly. The weather is generally very cold. So you must take Rwanda and ate hot arepa. They are delicious. Is recommended walking in the countryside, wearing Rwanda, eating arepas, and see the animal.